Hello everybody, the requestment of time. In relation to the deploy, it will pin out the door to complete the task. If the task is EG892149464241 by the board of the third moon, it may switch off to the mode of Anana. In time, the division for the completion of the area of interest based upon the confinder, it will execute itself into heaven based upon the machine. The machine is EG8921. By the board of the third moon, it may request the pyramid table for the sun. In time, the working material will generate 2489. Anyway, I finished downloading this one, macOS. You can download it here. Mojave, I can't pronounce it. Mojave. Anyway, in the evolution of time, it will be the array of third performance. The performance of network 3244946 is by the spirit energy to reverse the mana. In time, the position of the pointer will be the array of third performance, and to conclude the element of design for the protocol. In that day, it is the evolution. The evolution of time will be the way in by the third controller to pin out the door to heaven based upon the area of interest. In time, it is the working partition. To generate 2434946, it is the element of design for the protocol. The network of 5C18244946 is by the spirit of the sun, which may reverse the mana. In time, to pin out even order the third moon may request the pyramid table for the co-finder. The execution of law based upon the messages of the composition, it will transcript itself into the door of 1143. In so, the working partition will generate 243. So I'm installing macOS on VMware. Mojave. Thank you. Oh, it does work. Thank God for that. So it will take some time to install the Mojave. Thank you, I'll be back. Nah. Oh. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, that version doesn't work because it's an older version, probably. Alright, oh well, never mind.